Today we are talking about equations of proportional relationships. Okay, so remember a proportional relationship is the relationship where as x increases, y also increases and it goes through 0, 0. So it's a straight line that goes through 0, 0. And we can write equations for those that look like this. Y equals 2.35x. Okay, now in our proportional relationship, we talked about having a constant of proportionality. That is the rate at which the line constantly increases or decreases. Okay, so if this says each gallon of gas cost $2.35, the equation y equals 2.35x can be used to represent the situation. So each gallon, okay, so 1 gallon costs $2.35. So that means your unit rate is $2.35. So when we write that in our equation, our unit rate or our constant proportionality, when we write that as our equation, our constant proportionality is right here multiplied by x. Okay, so and says what is the constant proportionality? It's that number there multiplied by x. Okay, then it says what does the constant proportionality represent in the context of the problem? Well, it represents the cost per gallon. Okay, cost per gallon. Again, constant proportionality and unit rate are the same. Okay, so let's take a look at another one. For each chore Faith does, her mom gives her $5.50. Okay, for each chore. So one chore is $5.50. So that equation is y equals 5.5x. Can be used to represent that situation. So the constant of proportionality would be the 5.5 because x is the number of chores that she does. Okay, so if we do one chore, she's going to get paid $5.50. If she does 0 chores, she's going to get $0. Okay, if she does 2 chores, she's going to get $11. Okay, because 2 times $5.50 is $11. Okay, so the constant proportionality is 550, and the constant proportionality represents the cost per chore. Now, if we take a look here, this says Kevin earns $6 for 4 polished rocks. The equation y equals 1.5x can be used to represent the situation. Well, $6 for 4 polished rocks. Well, if they say 1.5, that means we have a ratio of $6 for 4 rocks. Okay, so we simplify this and it would be 1.5, which means $1.50 per 1 rock. Okay, per 1 rock. So my constant of proportionality is 1.5, and the constant of proportionality represents the cost per rock there. Let's look at one more similar to that one. A monkey can eat 24 pieces of fruit in 12 hours. Okay, so 24 pieces of fruit in 12 hours. Okay, so to find that constant proportionality, remember we have to find the unit rate, which means we divide 24 divided by 12, which is 2, and you can see the equation y equals 2x can be used to represent. So the constant of proportionality is 2, okay? And it represents 2 pieces of fruit per hour. 2 pieces per hour. There's a couple more that you can try on your own there.